Stay strong, stay active. Today, we will complete day 55 of our 60-day senior leg exercise series. Let's keep our legs healthy and mobile together. Exercise 1. Chair, sit to stand. 50 repetitions. Let us begin with the first exercise of the day, which is the chair, sit to stand. First, ensure you are sitting on a stable chair with your feet flat on the floor and hands resting on the sides of the chair for balance. Maintain your back straight and take a deep breath. We will slowly stand up and then sit down with control, making sure every movement is smooth. This exercise strengthens the thighs, knees, and glutes while improving balance. Now we will perform 50 repetitions together. Count each one slowly with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, halfway through, ask yourself, how are you feeling? If you feel tired, that is completely normal. Share your country in the comments and remember, you are doing amazing. Keep your posture strong and continue confidently until the end. Exercise 2, seated leg raises, 50 repetitions each leg. Let us move on to the second exercise, which is the seated leg raises. Begin by sitting straight on a stable chair, holding the sides firmly for balance. Make sure your back is straight and your feet are resting lightly on the floor. First, we will work the right leg. Slowly lift your right leg until it is parallel to the floor, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and then lower it slowly with control. This movement strengthens your thigh muscles, knees, and hip flexors while improving circulation. Now, we will perform 50 repetitions for the right leg together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Next, switch to the left leg, lifting slowly, holding, and lowering. Count aloud from 1 to 50 just like before. Halfway through, ask yourself, are you managing to lift your legs? Remember, slow and steady wins the day. If you feel any challenge, write it in the comments. Keep going. You are doing wonderfully. Exercise is great, But exercise alone is not enough to truly improve your health. That's why I highly recommend Nagano Tonic, a unique blend of natural nutrients that boosts your metabolism, melts stubborn fat, increases energy, and helps you feel younger from the inside out. Many seniors see results faster when combining their daily exercises with this tonic. Without it, your progress may stay slow and limited. Check the link in the description to get yours before the offer ends. Exercise 3. Seated knee extensions, 50 repetitions each leg. Let us begin our third and final exercise for today, the seated knee extensions. Sit comfortably on a stable chair, keeping your back straight and your hands firmly holding the sides of the chair for support. Begin with the right leg. Slowly extend your knee until your leg is fully straightened. Hold for a brief moment and then lower it slowly and controlled. This movement strengthens your quadriceps, knees, and hip muscles, helping with mobility and balance. Focus on smooth, controlled motions. Now, let us perform 50 repetitions for the right leg together. Count each rep aloud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Switch to the left leg and repeat slowly, counting from 1 to 50 just as we did with the right. Midway, ask yourself, how are your knees feeling? Don't worry if it feels tough. This is strengthening your legs every day. Encourage your fellow seniors to share this video so they can exercise with you. Keep going. You are doing amazing, and every repetition counts towards stronger, healthier legs.